One of the most annoying things about working in Excel or Google Sheets is dealing with dimensionality in your financial models. You might want to break down your model by different products or different countries or some combination of these dimensions. In this video, I want to show you first how you can work with dimensions in Excel and then how quickly you can do the same in Causal. I've got a financial model here for a SaaS business, and I now want to break this down by the 3 different products that my business sells. First, I'm going to have to restructure the assumptions section to include assumptions for each product. Next, I'll need to restructure all of my downstream calculations and write new formulas to use the product level assumptions. Okay, now I've done that, the final thing I need to do is manually create the aggregations to add up the products into totals. Okay, so that was the process of adding one dimension into our financial model in Google Sheets. If we want to add a second dimension, for example, different countries, you can imagine what that would take. Now let's see how to add dimensions in Causal. I've got the same SaaS revenue model here in Causal. Let's now break it down by our different products. The first thing that we want to do is create a list of our products, and we'll do this in what's called a category in Causal. Now that we have this list, we can apply it as a breakdown to some of our assumptions. Now that's actually all that we need to do. If we look at the rest of our model, Causal is automatically breaking down the downstream calculations by the different products, and Causal is automatically aggregating those products into totals for each line. We have a single set of formulas that are applied across all the products, across all the different months, and so we don't have to double check anything to make sure that we haven't messed anything up. Now, if we wanted to add a second dimension into our model, it's as simple as creating another list. Maybe these are our different countries. And in exactly the same way, we can apply this new breakdown to our different assumptions. Once again, that's all we need to do. If we now expand out some of these lines, we can see that Causal is automatically doing all of the calculations at the product and at the country level, and automatically aggregating those into subtotals at each level as well. If you're interested in exploring the template that we use in this video, then check out the link below.